Alright, this one's how to make Matzo Brei. Okay, so the first thing you need about 8 matzahs, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the matzah and you're just gonna break it up. Just break it up. Okay? Just break it up. There you go. Get the matzah, just break it up into pieces. Okay? Like so. Use about 8 matzahs, okay? It's only going to give you about 2 servings, 2 to 3 servings, okay? Break it up. There you go. Nice. Right, next we're going to do is, I'm just going to take about, I would say, a cup of hot water, okay? So 1 cup of hot water, okay, on the matzah, okay? And there's a reason for this. Yeah, that's steam. That was like boiling hot water. You don't have to go boiling hot, but 1 cup is fine. Now there's a reason for this, because you wanna soften up the matzah a little bit. Only thing is that don't forget that the matzah is kind of hard already, so you want to soften it up. You don't want it too hard because you want the egg and the milk, which we're going to come with next, to soak into it. You're going to break some eggs up and mix them up, okay? That's 1. 1, 2, 3, okay? That's 2. That's 3, okay? So the next thing we do, you guys, we're just going to mix it up a little bit, okay? Mix this up. Now we're gonna add some milk. All right, now you guys are just gonna add some milk. I'll use a cupful. Okay, mix it up with the egg real nice. I want to soak this all into the matzah. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys. You're gonna love it the most. Okay. So mind you, I used 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk. Okay. I'm gonna pour it right into here. Okay. Watch. Boom. Then I'm gonna mix it up. You guys don't need no special tools for this stuff. You know what I mean? You keep it simple. Mix it all up. Get that on there like that. It's nice. Okay. All right, next. We're not going to leave that in there for too long. All right, you guys, next we're going to pour this all into a pot. You could use canola oil. You could use canola oil. You could use butter too, but I just go with canola oil on this one. Because we're going to leave this in there for a bit and fry it all up. Sometimes I add sugar to it because I like everything sweet, but you know, you guys could do it as you see fit. You could add sugar later to your own. Now you guys see we're cooking this up. Mix it up. It up for you guys a little bit. Use the little wooden handle. Get this really nice and right tight, real nice. I'm gonna get this nice and crispy at a certain point. And don't forget, we just put in a whole bunch of milk and eggs and just all that soaked up in here, so it's gonna be nice. But not too crispy, you know what I'm saying? Just nice. So it tastes good. And I add the sugar to it, man. I mean, for me, you guys eat it the way you like it. You know, me, I like it with sugar. Each and all. I'm cooking this on high, but then I'm going to turn it down a little bit just to get the crunchy crunch. Nice. See, if you don't do the hot water to soften it, and then add the milk and the eggs after, it's not going to soak up into it. You see what I mean? So you're not going to get that good taste. It's going to be too dry. We're going to leave it a little bit. Like I said, I like it on high heat, but high to medium and high, but I keep an eye on it. So if you walk away from this, man, turn it down a little bit. If you're going to be on top of it, like you should, you could do it on high. Look at this, it's coming beautiful. Beautiful, son. Getting there. Getting there now. We're getting there. I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm hungry. Getting there. But we can't get there fast enough right about now. Alright, you guys, this is almost ready now. Almost. You want to get that good color to it. Want to crisp it up a little bit. So you can see. Beautiful. Notice how not much is sticking. I use canola oil for a reason. It would stain a lot of heat, you know? And I'm on like high heat right now still. Look at that. It doesn't, you see what I'm saying? That's why I like to use it. Nothing really stick to the bottom. Stain a lot of heat, man. See, that's beautiful. Give it some more. Like I said, I don't like it too soft. I like it nice and crispy, so. But again, not too crispy. You know. This is really good, man. This you could actually eat already. It's just not. It's just gonna be a little softer right now. You know, everything's soaked up. I'm gonna keep it on it for a little bit longer. Turn on the heat a little bit. But look how the none's sticking to the bottom. See that? It's nice. Yeah, it smells good, man. It smells good. Yeah, we're getting there. It's nice. Yeah. That's how you make matzo brei.